Hello everyone. In this section, we will talk about some advanced algebra equations. When dealing with more complex questions, we need to equip ourselves with more advanced tools. Let's get started. Let's first see a very useful tool. It's called cross multiplication. If you have an equation that is A divided by B equal to C divided by D, this is equivalent to A times D equal to B times C. It makes sense because when solving the equation, we can move the d to the other side, become times d, and move b to the other side as well, become times b. So a times d equal to b times c. This is similar to make a cross in the middle. That's why it's called cross multiplication. For example, x divided by 3 is equal to 5 over 2. So we can do cross multiplication. We get 5x equal to 6. So x is 6 over 5. A more complex example can be like this. So again, we do the same cross multiplication. And then we put 3 to here times the whole thing. And put 4 to here times the whole thing here. And then it becomes something we're familiar with. That is 3 times the bracket equal to 4 times bracket. Then we open the bracket. We know we have seen this before. Open the bracket. 6x equal to 9. 6x plus 9 equal to 4x minus 8. Then we move 4x to the other side, become minus 4x. So the left-hand side leave with 2x. And move 9 to the other side, become negative 17. So x is negative 17 over 2. The next type of equation involving a lot of fractions. You should first start with times the same number on both sides. Change all the fraction into integer. In this example, we have denominator 2 and 3. To make 2 and 3 into integers, we need to time a 6 on both sides of the equation. And then if you open the bracket, 6 times half of x becomes 3x. And 6 times 2x over 3 become 4x. The other side, 6 times 4, is 24. Now it's something we're familiar with. We combine the like terms, and x is 24 over 7. Another type of equation is that x in the denominator. So our first step will be moving the denominator, the whole thing, to the other side, similar to cross multiplication. Then it will become something we're familiar with again. And we open the bracket, 2x minus 2. And then we move everything of x to one side, x. Move 1 to the other side, negative 3. So we get the answer. In the next lecture, we will see the application of these skills in word problems. See you there.